To determine the benefits of training, we collect information from multiple sources. First, we review the needs assessment to identify the reasons the program was created in the first place. We can also use the training objectives and the learning outcomes to identify the goals of the program and the trainees, respectively. In academic and professional journals, both researchers and professionals share their evidence-based approaches, examples, and best practices, information that might help us in the process of evaluating our own training programs. Pilot testing the program with a small group of potential trainees and other stakeholders can help us identify benefits of the training program, as well as areas that are in need of improvement. Finally, trainees and their managers can help us identify the direct and indirect benefits that they experienced as a result of the training program. Their individual estimations can then be aggregated to come up with a more objective and probably accurate estimation of the value of each of these benefits.